And then my sunflowers, my queen violet, my goldie honey bear. They grow a lot every day. I know it sounds silly, but I feel like they grow really fast every day. And then my black beauty and my white marigold. Honestly, if I knew how tall these were going to be, I wouldn't have put them to share a pot with the tomatoes, but oh well, it's already done. And I have some bad news. Yesterday, I seen my black beauty tomato get picked at. I don't know by what, but this is where we're at. I covered all of them with mesh bags because I think it was a bird. So I just took it off to show you guys, but that's super sad. It makes me kind of mad because this is the one tomato I was like looking forward to every single day. I'm still gonna grow it. I'm sure I can just cut that part off to eat. I have another one down here that I covered. So right now we have 3, and then baby one coming up there. Then my Bella Rosa is putting out flowers. My baby marigold, and then my Romas. We have quite a few on this little short plant that's probably suffering because of this gigantic marigold in here. And then my indigo blue chocolate. We still have no fruit. Maybe this one is the closest I have to getting a a indigo blue chocolate. My sweet million. I get excited looking at this cluster because I think the clusters are so pretty. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm sure that's fine. My gigantic marglobe. We have a lot of tomatoes on this one. 2 right there, 1 over there, some up there, and another white marigold. And then my black creme. I'm super excited because I do have like a big one down there, but I also have just normal looking ones up here. And the reason I'm excited for a normal one is because when they crack too much, you know, you can't really eat them. My other Roma plant, these are probably the biggest tomatoes that I have so far, these little Romas. This is the other Marglobe. We have some Marglobes in there. And then this is the other Bella Rosa. We just have flowers so far, no fruit. And my 2 Guajillo plants. Lots of blooms, you can see in there. So that's how the garden's doing. I'm really bummed about the Black Beauty tomato. Trying not to dwell on it because I mean it's gonna happen. But the month of May is actually my favorite time in the garden because it's just enjoyable to be out here. Come summertime, it really is brutal, and I just come out here to water and harvest, and like that's it. I really can't enjoy being out here. So, yeah, I love the garden in May.